Hey, P&W Levi here. I just got me a new toy. I'm sorry, a new tool. And I'm just wanting to show it to you. I got a pneumatic rivet gun. I almost forgot what the heck it was. Pneumatic rivet gun. Let's see it. AP Astro PR14. It came pretty much just like this in the package, in the box. All I had to do is put an air fitting on it, hook it up, and I didn't even read the instructions, which I recommend for safety, security, read instructions. But I wanted to show how simple and easy this was to use. So let me grab a few washers from over here behind the camera lady, just because I don't have any other metals to work with. So I have 1/4 inch thick rivets here. Let's see, does it tell me to hold on it? Medium rivets, 1/4 inch steel, but these are steel, not aluminum. Just wanted to show you how easy this is to use if you have a lot of riveting to do. So now all I have to do is squeeze the trigger once or twice. The nail pops off and you're stuck with a riveted piece of metal. Now, I am going to press it against the bench for when I go and do it. It was the first time I tested it, it shot across the garage. So, I'm just going to squeeze. And on the first shot, it pulled it through quite a ways, but it hasn't popped it yet. So, it's still on the nail. And I think it's a little bit... Let's check. Got to get my hand free. Those washers could be a hair loose yet. One more squeeze. I broke it off. And there we go. You don't have to hurt yourself like I did. I got a bruise on my fat little belly because I was showing my daughter here, the camera lady, my daughter, the difference from a hand riveter to one of these. And I pinched my fat because I was too close to it. But when you're all done riveting, has a capture cup, which if you just want to dump it on your floor, I guess that's okay. And there's your nail. So go ahead. I'll leave a link up below, or at least down in the comments, or in the description, where you can get this on Amazon. It's a great deal. This is supposed to be production ready, so you could, just rivet and rivet and rivet and rivet. Like a frog. Just kidding. But if you do a lot of riveting here and there, sheet metal work, great buy. I love this thing so far. So log in and get one of your own. Thanks for joining me.